My name is Oskari Jaara. I'm from Findoor Industrial Inc. This is a family business which is originally from Finland, and now we're here in Canada also, and introducing to the market our revolutionary bifold doors that are open sideways. We started making these doors in 1989 in Finland, and there was a need for a door that was insulating well and sealing really well and almost maintenance free, and needed only really small amount of headroom. So right now we have about 35,000 doors in Scandinavia, but we don't have any maintenance trucks. So the whole idea of our business is way different. We don't count on maintenance, and the customer, when they buy our doors, they see the purchase agreement, they see the price, that they can divide the price by the next 20 to 30 years to come. So they don't have to spend any money in the future. So over time, I think we're easily the cheapest door in the market. So this is a mini model of our Findoor folding door. It can be equipped with electric opener and operator, but this is now manually operated door. It slides really easily, and the reason for it, we got a lifting hinge system. So we open the door, it lifts up from the crown so it doesn't track on the floor. So it's light, and also we make sure that we don't have to keep changing the weather strip. But now when we close the door, it comes back down and it's sealing tight, and it's full safety too. So you talk to your friend and accidentally leave your fingers in between the panels, you don't have to go see the doctor. And it requires very small amount of headroom. Even 16 by 16 or so door would require only 4.5 inches of headroom. So remarkable change. If you have an overhead crane in the building, you can actually put a door and don't have to make the building higher because of the door. We open the door, you got full clearance. Door goes all the way past the opening. Okay, the surface of the door, it's got multiple color options, and the surface is galvanized high build paint steel 24 gauge, and the structure of the panel, it's got the 2.5 inch insulation, which is not absorbing any water. So really good options for potato farms and any high moisture conditions. We got 30 years of reference cases from Finland where customers, the doors are not getting heavier because of the high moisture conditions. So they're really satisfied with their doors. People can go to findoor.ca and they can click design your own door, so they can determine how wide their rough opening would be, and they can actually draw the door and then put their contact details and then just request a quote.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com.